It is probably one of the finest additions that you can make in your bathroom and bedroom to make the rooms look aesthetically pleasing. There are many products available to choose Smart Mirror, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best smart mirror from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FENCHILIN Hollywood Mirror. The FENCHILIN mirror could be a great choice that can help you to lead a happy life. This makeup mirror is incorporated with 9 LED light bulbs so that you find it easier to get your makeup done. This smart mirror also provides you the opportunity to make settings for the light and warm light, adjust the brightness and provide bright reflections so that you can make the best makeup application. The Smart Touch Control is another great feature that lets you adjust brightness by touching the screen. It also has a memory function, so the LED would return back with the same brightness after switching on. The superior quality gorgeous reflective mirror is made with high-quality material. This high-quality smart mirror comes with 50,000 hours of longevity. The frame size is 9.84 x 11.81 inches, which is large enough to get a proper view. The 360° rotation helps you to fix a viewing angle according to your requirements. The 3 different colors that can be changed with touch control let you accomplish a flawless look. Number 2. HAUSCHEN Home 32 x 40 inches LED lighted bathroom mirror. A smart mirror that works with voice control is simply a great addition. If you're looking for one such high-quality LED mirror, the HAUSCHEN Smart LED Mirror can be a great choice. It helps you to enjoy a hands-free experience by controlling this mirror using your voice assistants like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. The mirror has multiple functions that are controlled separately. It has different switches for changing the temperature of the color, power switch, brightness switch, anti-fog switch, and much more. You can easily switch the on and off buttons to control according to your requirements and save energy. The anti-fog is especially given to get a clear reflection of your image. It is a super slim mirror that has a depth of only 1.4 inches. You can simply switch it on, and it will get back to the same setting that you like for applying makeup. It has a copper-free and lead-free design, making it an environmentally friendly choice. It has a sturdy build with silver metal. The product has met the safety standard and is certified with ETL certification. Number 3. CHICLEW Lighted Makeup Mirror. If you are in search of a compact smart mirror that you can easily move anywhere, the CHICLEW Lighted Makeup Mirror can be a great addition. It is included with lights that have dim, natural daylight so that you can adjust according to your requirement. It is touch-activated for choosing the brightness according to your ambience. The 360° swivel of this makeup mirror helps you to flip it conveniently and access it. It has 1x and 10x magnification so that you will be able to do your makeup in the best possible manner. The double-sided mirror has been equipped with distortion-free ultra-reflective optical glass. The magnification provides you the opportunity to get even a detailed view. You can do it regardless of the type of use you want to make with it. You don't have to replace the batteries as it works just by charging them. Once you have fully charged a mirror, it can last for almost 17 hours. Besides, keeping in mind the chances of slipping, it has a non-slip base with a soft rubber pad to keep it steady. Number 4. High Mirror Slide Smart Makeup Mirror. One such high-quality and innovative smart makeup mirror is provided by High Mirror. This creative mirror can keep track of the regression or improvements in your appearance, like dark spots, dark circles, pores, roughness, scars, wrinkles, and fine lines. All the photos remain stored in data, which helps this smart mirror to track the progress and help you to adjust accordingly. You can monitor all the changes from your mirror yourself. It is even recommended by high-end dermatologists. The best thing about this mirror is that it works like a screen when you're not using it for makeup. You can use it for browsing social media like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, or for music streaming. It has 2 LED strips built on its side which can be adjusted. Depending on your requirement, you can easily adjust the brightness and temperature of the color to get the best makeup. You can directly watch YouTube videos of your favorite influencer while doing makeup at the same time. Number 5. iHome 7x9 Reflect IK VBT2 Adjustable Vanity Mirror. This mirror has 7x9 dimensions that give you a chance to get a complete appearance. Besides, it is very easy to use. Apart from this, you no longer have to keep using your phone to ask Siri, as the smart mirror can help you. It has features to help you enjoy hands-free makeup time. The best thing about this vanity mirror is you don't have to keep it plugged in. It requires a USB charging port, and it gets ready to use. This smart mirror also works as a smartphone charging to help you charge your phone and make it ready to use. It is made with high-quality material that makes it a durable construction and an elegant inclusion in your vanity. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.